Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the blade on a manual tile cutter. It's just a tile cutter that you score the tile with and then you snap down on it. And here is the replacement blade, about $8 at Lowe's. And we're going to zoom in and there's a little screw here. It's right there. We're going to take that off, that's where the blade is. Now we're going to take a pair of pliers. May have to back the blade up a bit. And there's the old blade right there. And we're going to put the new blade in. And just hold it gently so you don't cut your fingers. And at the same time I just put the screw in so you can feel when it's centered. And we're just going to tighten back up. Make sure it's nice and snug, and that's all there is to it. Hopefully that was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.